What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we will be playing emergency response. Yeah, we haven't played it yet. Uh, it's just like in real life. Tomorrow's a special one because we'll be playing a couple games. Like I said, we'll be playing a couple games. Whoa! Did you guys see that? Hold on. My webcam started to glitch. See the screen? Dude, oh, that's just a wall. Oh my gosh, I'm so dumb. So yeah, guys, emergency response is like real life. Oh shoot. See, you can get stuck. Now I gotta call the police. Yeah, it's pretty easy. You can go to the menu, buy some guns. You can change teams. Yeah, I got the galley. Nova shotgun is horrible. If you guys like it, it's just my opinion. Hold on, I can't exit. Dang it. Hold on, my webcam's in the way. There we go. Hold on, I think I have a copper. Sir, what? What do you... what? I'm fine. No. What the? He killed me! What? I'm speechless. He killed... You know what? I'm gonna kill him. For revenge. Cause yeah, it's just a roleplay game. It's just a roleplay. You roleplay, you kill, you rob, you buy cars for a lot of money, Bugattis. Are Bugattis even a real car? Is a Bugatti a real car? I don't know. Where is that dude? I need revenge on him. I need to kill him. I bet he's gone. Yeah. Where is this noob? Oh shoot. I'm a good driver. Like 1 hour ago, I did what the last video 1 hour ago. I said well I'll play 2 games today. Yes, I did do it. I did it into nice. There's the Bugatti, boys and girls and people and chicken nuggets and peeps. Dang it, he's in his car, and it's the same car I have. I want him to blow up. He's trying to take me off. Bad boy, dude. Bad choice. Oh, he's smoking, boys. He's smoking. I'm trying to light his car on fire. Does that sound illegal to you guys? Nah. It's on fire! Wahaha. Oh, now I have to walk all the way to my car. So yeah, guys, how is it? How is it, you guys? Merch coming. There's merch coming. There's merch coming. Soon. Merch coming soon. We'll be having backpacks, shirts, swimming clothes. Yeah. And also, guys, I got some new stuff going on. I'm gonna change my YouTube name. That might be a new channel, just a new name. I don't know yet. But yeah, stay tuned to that. Yeah. So it's just pretty good. The the merch will be coming out soon. I'll have a new logo too. My logo will be. I love. My favorite thing is dogs and cats. So yeah, I like dogs and cats. So I can like decorate it some dogs, cats. Yeah, some dogs and cats, and maybe I can make a box like that comes with like a slappy wristband. Yeah. Just a. Ah! Yeah, that's right. If you guys don't see, I have a 1-star wanted level. Nothing too bad. Oh God! He's coming! Ah! Loser. Oh God, I'm on low gas. But I know where there's a gas station. Shoot, right here. I have to fill up this quickly. It's a very fast refill. Thank you for your purchase. And I'm out. See you guys. Just quickly. Gotta go quick. Dang it, I gotta fill my gas. Look. Hold on, the screen just got smaller, so. There we go. Back to its normal size. So I have a wanted level. Maybe I can take my turn here. I know every single place in the emergency response. I can still make it around here. I told you I know every single place in emergency response. I'm not a great driver. Oh, I thought that was a cop. The red cop. And actually, just was a shit. The red cop. Actually, wait, I don't. What's wrong with my head? Yeah, there's a gas station here. There's the farm. I'm gonna head over to the farm. No, I missed the road. I can still make it over. Here we are. So I could park my car here. Just relax. Okay, so I'm gonna park my car. You know, I'm gonna go to the spawn area and park my car. Okay. And just wait. Just like wait until the cop asks what happens. If it gets boring, that was just whatever. Yeah, it didn't catch me. See that gray car? I have that car. Perfect. I'm in park. Now we wait. Yeah, guys. I'm not gonna do that. You know what I'm gonna say now. Okay, so You guys know what I'm saying now. If you guys enjoyed, leave a like. If you guys enjoyed, leave a like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, comment down below you did that, and you might get a shout out. And if you don't want to do that, you can just comment down below squad, the gamer squad, just write gamer squad. Guys, stay tuned for the merch. It'll have my logo on it. Me covered, me with a cat and a dog on the side of me. So stay tuned for that. If you guys enjoyed, leave a like. And stay awesome, stay gaming, and see you in the next one. Okay, so guys, this is the end card and notes, whatever you want to call it. I'll be playing one of the new games. You know what, guys? Just stay tuned. I'm gonna record it when this is done, so that way, just when this is out, I'll probably be recording this, the video. So yeah. Anything else I should say? I got one more thing to say. Bye. Bye. See you guys. Bye. Peace.